I'm Riya Singh and today I'm taking you through a compact yet beautifully designed space by SR Designs. The bedroom follows a muted palette, cozy, clutter-free, and designed for everyday serenity. This living room keeps it minimal. Subtle tones, clean lines, and just the right balance of calm and peace. And the star of the home, Modular kitchen designed by SR Designs. Built for function and flair, with smart storage, soft close shutters, and a sleek finish that makes everyday cooking effortless. Let's design the space you have been dreaming of with SR Designs.
First of all, I want to thank the because SR Design brought our vision to life, and it feels like us the way they come with from the living room to the bedroom. Their work is elegant. So, and if I talk about the wall design, it is a very functional, always on time. So this focus is special because whenever our space is surrounded by home, morning to night when we are winding down, it also comes in the beautiful landscape, the nice lighting. I really appreciate that.
Whether it's a spacious home or a studio, SR Designs turn every square foot into a statement.